We now know the reason why we were connecting two wallets on the PAWS airdrop. That is the Ton wallet and the Phantom wallet. And this reason is because of this very news right here on the PAWS community on X. If you read this, PAWS is coming. Turn on your notifications now. And if you read this very one, most awaited news is about to be announced. And you see this very one right here, Sol is ticked. And it seemed to me that they have now come to a conclusion not to launch on Ton anymore. And what that means is there is this rule that is on Telegram that if you're using the Telegram mini app, you must have to launch on the Ton network. And that means if you don't want to launch on the Ton network, you have to transition. You have to move from the Ton network to any other network. That means you cannot be using the Telegram mini app. And that is the case for the PAWS airdrop at the moment. So I believe this announcement will be made very, very soon. And PAWS will be moving away from launching on Ton to Sol. And this is the news right now. You can see that this news was released just 6 hours ago. And this is very important. Now we know the reason why we were connecting two wallets. That is the Ton wallet and the Phantom, which is a Solana wallet. If you read this very post, Ton and question mark. So they still have question mark launching on Ton, okay? And if you read this second one, say yes in the comment if you want PAWS to launch on Ton. This should not be a question anymore because we've been anticipating for this very launch for a very long time. And not only that, we know that PAWS is on the Ton network, and if there should be any movement, we just need announcement. And I think this is what all of this is pointing to right now. What this means is when the final announcement finally come on board, we will not be accessing our PAWS platform via Telegram anymore. And we are going to do that through the Phantom wallet. And that is what I think the big announcement is all about that PAWS want to bring on board. On Telegram, it is very, very simple to access the PAWS platform by coming here and click on this very open section. And once you click on it, it takes you directly to the PAWS mini app. But if you want to access it on your Phantom wallet, I'm going to guide you through right now because that is a little bit tricky and you need to understand how to do it. You open your Phantom wallet and you come to this very browse option, okay, this browse icon. Click on this browse icon. It will bring up this very page for you. And then right here, just type PAWS.community. So if I come here and then I type PAWS, okay, .community. Once you type that, it will bring this out. So after writing this PAWS.community at this very point, what you need to do next is to click on this very go button. So if I click on it, it will take me to this very page where you see verify yourself. Normally, these do appear as well on Telegram. So I will click verify yourself. Then it will bring up verify with, you see PAWS Telegram app. Then we have Phantom wallet and Ton wallet. So if they migrate to Solana, this is what we'll be using, okay, and not this and not this, okay. So all you need to do is to click on this very Phantom wallet. So I will click on this Phantom wallet and I will wait. So I'll click on confirm right here. It will take me to my PAWS account. So what this means is everything have been moved from Telegram to the PAWS website, okay, and you can access it this way with your Phantom wallet. If you look at it, my balance, as you can see right here, is the same with what I have on the Telegram mini app, and also my WPAWS is also the same with what I have on the Telegram mini app. So this is how you can access your PAWS platform via your Phantom wallet, especially when that big announcement is going to land on the Telegram community. Now, this announcement have not been made yet, but I believe the announcement is going to come very, very soon, just like we see right here. Most awaited news is about to be announced, and this announcement is going to be for this very soul because it's already thick, as you can see on this very exposed. So this is what we need to keep our eye on right now on the PAWS airdrop. This very migration is very, very important. And then talking about TGE, if you look at this, they also post TGE, which is coming very soon. And this post is just 6 hours ago. So TGE for PAWS is coming very, very soon. I believe this is going to come in February, and we need to prepare for this very TGE. What that means is please cross your T's and dot your I's and wait for this very airdrop to land very, very soon. All that you need to do to be on the right side, do it right now without wasting any time. So that is that for this very PAWS update, TGE, migration to SOL, and how to access your PAWS platform via the Phantom wallet. Consider supporting this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe if you have not, and turn on the bell notification for more crypto videos like this one. Also check the channel for all that crypto content. Join our Telegram channel, the link in the description and also in the pinned comment for more crypto videos, news, investing, and day trading strategy. Thanks for supporting this channel.